Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K. Sangma attended the state-level celebrations of World Tourism Day 2025 at Courtyard Marriott, Shillong, where he underlined tourism as a key driver of Meghalaya's economy. Tourism Commissioner and Secretary Dr. Vijay Kumar D was also present. The Chief Minister said the sector had undergone major changes in recent years, with the state recording 16 lakh domestic visitors and 2.3 lakh international tourists in 2024. He stated that tourism currently provides employment to about 50,000 people and the government aims to double this figure. Around 210 projects worth rupees 3,625 crore are underway across the state, he added. Highlighting the shortage of accommodation, Conrad Sangma said the Meghalaya Homestay Mission would create 3,000 homestays with 6,000 rooms, which would also house athletes during the 2027 National Games. He informed that the centre had sanctioned rupees 260 crore under the PM Divine for projects in Sora and adjoining areas. Conrad Sangma further launched the Meghalaya Homestay Mission document, flagged off 10 vehicles under the Prime Tourism Vehicle Scheme, and felicitated recipients of the Community-Led Tourism Infrastructure Scheme. The event also saw the presentation of Outlook's Responsible Tourism Awards, with Living Bridge Foundation receiving the overall award. Conrad Sangma stressed that tourism would thrive if visitors left with safe, positive and memorable experiences, urging upon all stakeholders to play their part.
Discovering it is simple. Land trip.
They're also winning the award Kmi Creative Society for the gold. Everyone, a very loud round of applause for Kmi Creative Society. Sustainable Champions Musical Traditions category. Gold goes to Kmi Creative Society. And Next we have Sindram Tourism Promotion Society. Sindram Tourism Promotion Society.
We started working on developing the tourism and the tourism sector as a whole in the last 7.5 years. And as has been mentioned by so many people who spoke before me, that we are finally starting to see the impact of the different steps that have been taken by us to overall improve the tourism ecosystem in the state of Meghalaya. In the last couple of years, starting 2023, we had about 14 lakh tourists, domestic tourists who came in. That's 1.4 million tourists. And last year, 2024, that number increased to 16 lakhs, 1.6 million tourists. So in a matter of 2 years, we saw an increase of about 2 lakh tourists coming into our state. And also if you look at the international tourists, in 2023, we had about 2 lakh international tourists that came in. And in 2024, we had 2.3 lakh international tourists that have come to our state. These numbers are clearly a testament of the kind of change that we are seeing in the overall tourism sector in our state. And I'm happy to inform you that this growth has been very, very consistent. And it's not that these are spikes that happen once in a while, but these are planned strategies and policies that we put in place to see that consistency, to see that growth, to see that sustainability in the whole process. And that is the most satisfying aspect of the growth that we're seeing in tourism. Even this program that we're having today, I'm sure many of us remember this program is being celebrated 7 years back. And you can compare the kind of overall improvement in the quality of how we present ourselves, how we are packaging ourselves, and how we are able to market the tourism sector in a much, much stronger and aggressive manner now compared to what we were 7.5 years back. That we have realized that there is a requirement for almost 19,000 rooms, and we are at about 9,000, and no matter how much we push the private sector and other projects, we will be able to maybe touch another 4,000 to max 5,000 rooms. And hence, there is a huge requirement for rooms, and we strongly felt that the homestay scheme, which has worked very well in the past, we are hopeful that this homestay, the new mission that we have, is going to really take this entire mission of ours into a new level. And I was just sharing with Dr. Vijay, which of course next week we should be coming out with the announcement that for the national games, we have a requirement of certain rooms for the games village, as they called it before. But we as a government have realized that constructing games village will have a legacy problem, because what happens after the game is over? And hence we realized that rather than constructing a games village, which will cost us hundreds of crores, it is better that we invest our money into standardized homestays, which will then act as games village, so that during the games, these homestays can be used as an accommodation for the athletes, and after the games are over, these will be run as homestays and serve the tourists who are coming to our state. So therefore, this model has not been done in different parts of the country for the different national games. We are the first ones to be experimenting with this. So by next week, to combine with the Chief Minister's Meghalaya Homestay Mission, we'll be coming out with this program where we will be having the homestay for the national games, where, as I said, we will use it for the national games, and post that, that same project will become asset for the tourism sector.